Today is Therapy Thursday, and we're going to talk about actually stretching the wrist flexors and extensors. So the biggest thing with any kind of stretch is you want a soft end feel. If you have a soft end feel, and then most likely you're stretching more soft tissue like muscles. If it's hard end feel, if it feels like really pinchy, then you would feel more of it would be more of a hard end feel, and then maybe things aren't quite properly gliding. So a simple trick to this, and it's easy to do with the wrists, and sometimes when people don't have the proper extension or flexion of the wrist, they'll get a lot of pain in the wrist. So something that helps, and the way I teach it and what I've learned in my orthopedic massage training is you would traction the wrist. So you would just a little bit of a pull, and then when you go to flex, it just creates enough space to allow the stretch to happen, to get that nice stretch. And a lot of times if you don't do that, you might feel some pinching on this side, which you should not feel. So it's a really simple technique. You can do it the same with the extensors. You would just pull the wrist away and then just flex. And you can add a little activation there of the flexors as well. And just a light, broad stretch. Okay, so just a simple thing to do. Next week, I decided to do this because next week I'm gonna do another kind of wrist video. We did tennis elbow, I believe, last week. So this time it's gonna be a similar treatment, but it's gonna be directed more towards the wrists instead of the elbow. So I will be doing that next Wednesday. All right, so that's it. So just traction, a little bit of flexion, traction, a little bit of extension, traction, a little bit of flexion. Try it out, see if it helps. See if, especially if you're feeling that pinching in the front or the back of the wrist, or if you have trouble putting pressure through your hands, like in a high plank position or push-up position. All right, let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and I will make sure to do that. Have a good day.